Here are some key definitions. The first definition I pulled out is 14-year-olds. So we all know what a 14-year-old is. It's someone of the age of 14. But in terms of this question, it's very important that we know what exactly it is that 14-year-olds, in terms of development, are experiencing at that age, and how that might then impact their ability to make decisions, particularly those regarding their own bodies. So I've pulled this out, and you can see that at the age of 12 to 14, so sort of early adolescence or the early teenage years, 14-year-olds are going through a number of different developmental changes, socially, physically, emotionally, and intellectually. So from the emotional aspect, for example, they see themselves as center stage. They're more likely to compare themselves to others. They seem to be concerned about their physical development, which is also cited up there in the top left. They tend to seek privacy more, so they might become a little bit more private than they were in childhood. And they strive for independence. Socially, they tend to look more towards their peers, so their friends at school perhaps, than to their parents, maybe for advice or for approval or acknowledgement. They also seek acceptance and trust more. They tend to reject solutions from adults more so than their own solutions. And finally, they question authority and family values for the first time. So this is very characteristic of teenagehood. It's this questioning of rules, questioning of authority, and perhaps becoming a little bit more rebellious. Intellectually, they are developing skills in the use of logic. So there's lots of brain development happening at this age. They solve problems that can have more than one variable. So that'll be an interesting point that we can bring up in our essay question, which is about decision making. And they want to explore the world beyond their own community. So this is the first time in adolescence when you can see that adolescents become very curious about the world outside of what they've previously known.